and your chat GPT. Her virtual boyfriend is her chat
That is
GPT.
not my boyfriend. That is not my.
Night 11:30, it's 12, you just come near me, you snuggle near me, and then you go blah 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 blah. You have no idea what you mean to me in my life.
What happens when a parent and a teenager stop playing roles and just talk? No filters, no fixing, no distractions. Just real questions, real silences, and a conversation that was long overdue. Between brackets is a space where stories come out, emotions come up, and connections get real. Watch closely, you might learn something about your family or yourself.
Hi, I'm Pratisha Hazarika. So I have been married for past 19 years, and I am a homemaker as well as a corporate working lady and also a plant influencer. I am spiritually aligned and I'm into my self awakening journey. I'm blessed with two lovely, beautiful daughters, Himakshi and Adrika. My elder daughter, she is in class 12, she's 17 plus, and Adrika, she is in class 9, she's 14 plus. Very soon she will be 15 this November. And we really gel with each other very well. We do fight, we have differences of opinion, but end of the day, she is the one that heals me. She's the one who understands me, and vice versa. So do I. But somewhere I might lag behind. So I wanted to be in this platform so that we can have a open interaction of whatever things are like keeping us aloof, or like what's binding us together.
I am Adrika. I'm a ninth grader and I study in the Green School International, which is in Nalapara. And I'm here today because my mom convinced me so to do this interview, and she said that we'll be more free with each other. So that's why I'm here. We are almost like friends. I share her a lot of things and she shares me it too. Things that I can't share with other friends or any other people, I share it with her. So we're quite close actually. What's something you wish I knew about you, not as a mom, but as a woman?
You can start off with that. In the meanwhile, I think.
How do you see her, if not a mother?
I see her as a person who is strong, who stands tall throughout whatsoever hurdles come into her life. I see her as a very charming person, a very sweet one, an empath.
So something which I would want you to see in me, not as a mother, but as a woman, is that yes, a mom cannot be 24 into 7 all the time on her toes and be available. I'm also a human being of flesh and blood. I do get exhausted and drained out. And being in my early 40s with my mood swings and maybe the perimenopause stage, I want you or my other girl to have some kind of compassion towards me and my mood swings. What's one thing about your life right now that you don't think I take seriously enough?
It will probably be about how I'm doing, if I'm feeling okay or not. I mean, yes, you look after me, but you don't exactly know what's going on. I mean, there are sometimes when I feel really drained out and I feel like as if the weight of the world has fallen onto my shoulders. I feel like that, and I know that you are tired from the office, all the work, so I don't really share it. So I think that's one thing I would like you to know about.
I agree.
How would you want her to do that with you?
Probably talk more, have more conversations alone, and not with your phone interfering in between, but only us both. Because whenever I talk with you, you're always on your phone.
I know.
It's like I'm talking to a wall. So that's why. If we had to make a reel with a trending audio that perfectly describes our relationship, which one would it be?
Oh, our relationship, I can't compare it with any reel. Earlier we did lot of TikToks. Adrika, I hope you remember how
I do.
fond you were to do those TikToks when you were like this much in class 4 or 5.
For fun.
Yeah, exactly. But now, like, not real, but I would love to do that tumak tumak jai. Maiye dinal tumak tumak jai. I know you hate that, but I would love to do that with you.
A trending audio that perfectly describes our relationship.
What
so you
it
think
would
that
be?
tumak tumak it describes our relationship?
It won't, but we can give some good tumkas, in fact.
Oh my god, no, I'm not. That's the last thing I'm gonna be doing with you.
That's why I made that choice that we're gonna do together.
No. What's something I do when I'm upset that you have learned to understand better? I'm so sorry, better over time.
Yes, I have noticed like when you are upset, you listen music. If I'm not wrong, you plug in your earpods and you just go off. You isolate yourself. You don't want to. You make a kind of grumpy face, and you listen. You take your tab and you go in one corner, slug in a corner in the bed, or you cuddle with Shimmer. Or best is your music and your Chat GPT. Her virtual boyfriend is her Chat
That is
GPT.
not my boyfriend. That is not my boyfriend. I just
Once I just
Sure.
said her that never trust anyone, rather trust Chat GPT. She took it so seriously that for every small thing, she just goes to Chat GPT. So yes, music
I
and
need
Chat GPT.
someone, not a someone, but something at least to share things with.
And that has become Chat GPT. I'm so sorry I couldn't be available, but what's one thing you have always wanted me to stop doing but haven't figured out how to say? I know what that will be. I'm so sure about that.
Smoking will be the first thing because it really irritates me a lot. But sometimes I'm like, choro bhar bhi jaye. But then again, I can't imagine my life without you in it. If something happens to you, so it worries me a lot.
I know. I'll quit.
It worries me and my sister too.
I'll
a
quit.
lot. I'm not asking you to just quit it like so suddenly, but I just want the best for you.
I know.
And smoking will never be the solution to whatever your problem is.
You
Okay.
know, you have seen what I have been going through,
And what's-
right? Everything you know, Adri, everything you know. My depression took me to that level where I started smoking and I thought maybe this might relieve my stress. From 45 mg, I came down in this past 3 years to 5 mg. This smoking now has become like, you can say, addiction. I just try to escape saying that, but now if like I fag, I feel comfortable. Somehow I feel comfortable, but I know that's not, it's hampering my body, and I'm really trying. So I want from you and Harsha, as I said before, have some compassion for me. Like maybe a hug. You always do that. You cuddle me a lot, and I love that. You come on
and
your
you
own.
sometimes push me away.
Give me some time. Let this year end, and you will see a new version of me.
So that's how we are gonna help you.
Yes, being more compassionate and lovey-dovey to me. I love being pampered and cuddled by you both.
If you had to create a dramatic reel about my mood swings, what would the background music be?
Oh my God, I keep saying you are a Madhubala of our family, right? The girl who doesn't vent out much. From very childhood, you had been the most loving and the obedient girl between my two girls. If it's Harsha and Adrika, you had always been that most obedient one. I had no trouble with you while be it feeding, dressing, giving you a bath, everything. You had been obedient, but then when you grew up, slowly you started having some mood swings. Maybe you were struggling within yourself and to cope up with your elder sis and us. So music will be kahin deep jale kahin dil. For Madhubala, teri kaun si hai manzil. I also don't know the full lyrics.
I have the perfect one. I know the one played in serious Dhum Tanana.
Dhum tanana, dhum tanana.
It's like my mood swings are so unpredictable. You don't know what's coming next. So that is
But
a
try to
perfect-
vent out, Adri. You keep things to yourself. That's something, you don't keep piling up. That's why you become grumpy. I always say, don't keep piling up. But say, don't keep it piled up. It will become like that volcano. Boom! It will burst. Gomu napaba.
He's
Koi
getting
diba, just
depressed.
like Harshaba. She gets angry, she screams around, and then she's calm. If it beat me, your dad, or your sister, speak.
Being there to listen to me, and I'll be there to listen to you too.
You come to talk to me at the point where I am dead tired. Night 11:30, it's 12. You just come near me, you snuggle near me, and then you go blah 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 blah. When the conversation happens, when your mind is fresh, not exhausted or drained out, I will be in some important conversation with my team and this and then blah 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 blah. You will come saying, I can't pay attention. We both sleep together, right? And Shimar, our pet. So then you have to take out that time. You have to take out that time. You have to manage the schedule. যে মা এইটো সময়ত আহে freshen up হয় ৰুমত যায় মই এইখিনি সময়ত মাৰ লগত আধা ঘণ্টা at least I will speak my heart to her. That's why not at the bedtime, Jan. Do it prior to it, not at the bedtime. And then we'll end up talking till 2, sometimes 3, and munching biscuits and snacks midnight.
Okay, that is the good part of it. Because I actually don't care if you listen or not. I just need to blabber it all out, and I know it hampers your sleep, but that's the only time I can really vent
while
out.
sleep, your everything comes out. Ma, why is it like this? Ma, how do you feel? Ma, and then hurry. At least half an hour we can sit in the drawing room and we can talk. আৰামছে বহি কথা পাতিব পাৰো বা বেডৰুমত আৰামছে আধা ঘণ্টা পাতিব পাৰো. Just hug me and keep speaking. I will be there. I'll listen. I will keep my mobile aside. I promise to you. Come what may, I'll keep it aside. Just be with me at that moment, but not
Okay.
when I'm dead tired, I'm about to sleep, and then you piss me off. What was going through your mind the last time we had an argument or tense moment?
That
We
was
recently
very
had one.
very recent.
Very recent.
Okay, so I was actually I won't say what happened.
Yeah, you can say.
Okay, so I actually triggered her a lot. I pissed her off, and I was like, okay, there is this fancy word, rage baiting. Yeah, I was
Okay.
rage baiting you, and rage baiting is like making someone angrier. So, yeah, at that point, you threw my tab.
Yeah.
It broke,
Mm.
not literally, but I have to now handle it very carefully. Yeah, so it broke half,
Mhm.
and at that point, I blanked out, and I got very angry because there was this time, a phase actually last year, where we had a very bad bond.
Mm.
For me, I
Mm.
mean, you were very busy with your work, so I don't think you noticed much.
Mm.
But for me, it was the worst time of my life.
Okay.
So after that, I've tried so much to build our bond, and I think that it all worked out. And at that point, when you broke my tab, I felt like all the bits and pieces that I put together to build that bond, it broke too. So at that point, I was like, you let your anger and frustration take over you instead of staying patient. I know you were very patient, but even in moments like this or very tense moment, you should not let your anger or frustration control you. So it really broke my heart. Yeah, I was sad about it, but then I forgive you.
Oh, you forgive me?
Yeah, I did.
You forgive me?
You were the one to say sorry.
You were the
I
one
was-
who
I
triggered
was-
and provoked me.
Okay, but
Right?
I did not provoke you, nor did I
Every
disrespect
time,
you.
every time, whenever you use your tab till late, I always keep warning you, Adrika, I'll throw it away.
I did-
Adrika,
I
I will
was-
throw it away.
I was not
And
using
that
my
day,
tab
you
then.
knew next day I have to go to Bongaigaon for my office work. Early morning, I did say I was dead tired. I said, you, Adrika, I want to sleep. And you came on my body, literally. And you said, Ma, I'll take, I will not sleep now. I said, no, you also come to sleep. You have your school. You can't findle your tab now. Or else I'll throw. And then you provoke me. Throw. I would have wanted Adrika to understand me that, okay, Mama, I understand tomorrow you have to go to Bongaigaon. You really had a hectic day. Chalo, Mama, we will sleep together and we will talk later on. Rather than provoking me, you saw how dead tired I was. And physically also, I'm not that well. But still, I pull off, I slog for whom? For you and Harsha. Nothing for me, but whatever I'm doing today, my only goal is for you and Harsha. For you and Harsha, I'm living, I'm alive, and my ma. And whatever I do, I earn. I have some dreams to fulfill with you girls, to take you for shopping, to take you for trips. I did promise you once you're 18, we'll go to Goa, right? I did promise you, and I want to make it, I want to fulfill it. For that, I'm slogging, I'm working hard. At 43 years, I'm working hard. I'm not just being a trophy queen, trophy wife, and just spending of others' money and watching series and going to parties. I'm working hard for my living so that I can give you both happiness. So at that point of time, I want you to at least understand that if she's ma is drained out, I should not piss her off. I should listen to her because she is saying for my well-being only. After 12 midnight, using tab is not good, Adji. Not good for your health also. Even ChatGPT will say, if you ask ChatGPT, a 14-year-old girl should at least have 8 hours of sleep. If you sleep at 1 and wake up at 6:30, how many hours you get of sleep? And then you, after school, you come home and then you sleep till 8. Sometimes 7. I come from office, I see you are dead sleep. And when I then roll eyes at you, you say, I just woke up, and then you are energized, you are high on your energy. But then by that time, I'm dead tired because the whole day I worked hard, right? So that is thing. Balance should be there. By 11, we all should be in our bed. And I promise, if you want me to not use my mobile from 10 p.m., I will also put my mobile in flight mode and I'll not use, but even you can't use it. And don't compare it with your sister that Harsha Bai is using.
I don't do that nowadays.
Don't. That's her life. This is your life. What's a small thing I do that makes you feel seen even when I don't realize it?
It would probably be cuddling with me, letting me cuddle with you, and just talking, even if it's for like few minutes.
Also ordering food.
Yeah, ordering food.
Ordering
That's my
food.
favorite part.
When you have that craving during your periods, right? Your pizzas, waffles,
Yeah.
fried rice and chili chicken from Fat Belly. I remember that, right? Getting chocolates,
Yeah.
chips, whatever you want, you like.
First is cuddling, and then
Mm.
is talking, and then are the like food and all.
But we love to cuddle each other. Oh, you are my panda. I so much love you.
If you had to describe our bond as a color today, what color would it be and why?
I would say it would be the rainbow. I don't want to define our bond in just one color. It's the color of the rainbow. We have all the shades in it. I swear.
Cry.
No, literally, I swear. You have no idea what you mean to me in my life. You have no clue how much I love you, Anu. Even though that day I threw your tab, next day I had to go to Bongaigaon. I kissed you on your cheeks. I said, Jan, I'm leaving. I again called you from Bongaigaon. You were grumpy, but somehow the mom felt guilty. So I called you. So I would say all the colors of the rainbow defines us. We are all happy, sad, gloomy, crazy, cranky, passionate. We are all together.
I like hugging a lot.
Oh,
I love physical touch.
we are Scorpios. We love physical touch.
My friend does not.
All are not the same.
Exactly. What's one moment this year where you felt proud of me but didn't say it out loud?
Every moment I feel proud of you, and every time I feel proud of you, I make sure I say it very, very loud. Right? Did I miss out on anything? Proud moment this year where I didn't say you or appreciate you?
No. know. I just think I crave too much for it.
Like
Validation, but-
everything, like every a small drawing of yours, a small poem of yours. Rather, I keep saying you, Adrika, where did you write? Let me get it published in Assam Tribune. Please give me your poems. Like every time, whatever you did, every single achievement. Rather, I keep saying you, don't be demotivated. If you are not selected in the recitation for Sarla Bela, it's fine. At least you attempted it. And now, yesterday and today, you have said about your marks in your half-yearly exam, where you have scored the highest in English. You got 72 out of 80, and I'm
Thank you.
so proud of it. At home, I had to get ready for this podcast, so I couldn't say
I
it,
know.
but I'm really proud. And I know if you can push yourself, Adrika, you have lot of potential in you. Only thing is that you have to leave your laziness a bit aside, and then you have to be more active. Procrastination is done for this year. So you are in 9 now. 9, 10 is very crucial, and I see you with study abroad. I have high hopes with you, and every single act of yours makes me really proud. Whether you clean my room, you you feed Shimmer, you clean the other rooms, the way you cleaned your grandmom's room, and you arranged it so neatly. I really loved it, and I did appreciate that. Every small act counts.
Even mine, it would be every moment,
Yes.
because every single time I see you wake up, I mean, it's like you're getting through every single day despite everything. So I'm proud of you for that. I'm proud of you for like getting to everything and working despite how much you want to just relax and take a day off. I'm proud of you for that. Just everything, actually. I'm proud of your journey, Plant Mom, whether it be Plant Mom or with Mercedes, like your jobs, how you're getting into higher ranks to the top. And so I'm proud of that.
Thank you. Or if I was not married, I would have been in the Himalayas, maybe being a hippie. मैंने I love that life, but now क्या ही बोले, शादी हो गए, बच्चे हो गए, बस है अभी संसार में. बच्चे को साथ में लेके जाएंगे, साथ में हिप्पी बन जाएंगे. पति बोलेगा बस यही बाकी था. तुम तो बिगड़ गई, बेटियों को भी बिगाड़ रही हो.
Getting new tattoo, more tattoos.
Yes, more tattoos, more the merrier. Even you will get it. Even piercing, whatever. But after 18,
You said in class 11.
11 you will be given on your birthday. I promised that. But after 18, piercings and all, whatever. When do you feel most like yourself when we are together? What are we doing in that moment? Everything starts in the bed, everything ends in the bed, right,
Exactly.
Adri?
It's probably when we go on trips,
Mm.
anywhere
Mm.
out, on a drive or whatsoever, I feel really good.
Mm.
And I feel good that we are together, and I feel most like myself than you.
Maybe
Whenever-
the city center
Yeah.
trips.
not even, yeah, that too, but whenever
When we go for
to
mall
Shillong-
hopping,
Shillong,
Shillong,
I love
yes.
Shillong,
Mhm.
Shillong, Kaziranga, and all.
Mm-hmm.
And one time it was Manas.
Huh.
I thought I would also, so
Mhm.
that was the time.
Has there been any moment in your life lately where you have actually seen yourself that my parents have given me, your mother has given you so much opportunities that others don't have?
Last night
Every
you were saying.
single moment of my life, actually, and last night especially, I am, whenever I look at like the ones who are not exactly privileged, underprivileged, I feel sympathy for them. And then I look at my life, how I'm living under the AC with a dog, food, every single thing, and good school. I'm studying in a very good school. So every single moment of my life, I'm grateful for whatever I have and whatever you guys are going through and still providing us with so much. So I'm grateful. What's one thing I do that's so extra but you secretly find hilarious or adorable?
I find you adorable every single moment, except when you are grumpy. That's the moment I hate the most. And I really like when you cook
Huh?
something which you are evolving in it. but you should practice more of it, because 2-3 items you made, that was really delicious, and I think you should try your hands more into this skill of yours. I find you adorable every moment, Adri, and especially when you are sleeping. When you are asleep, I take so many pictures of you, even you know that. I feel like
and
a
then you
small
post it
yeah,
without
yeah,
my permission.
yeah, I do. What's one thing you think I'm trying to protect you from, or maybe I don't need to? Guys,
Okay,
guys,
guys, exactly,
guys, guys.
So many astrologers, they told me to stay away from guys a lot.
Yes, her Shani is not
Yeah.
good.
And my mom and my no, especially my sister, she's like the mom of the house. She's like the mom, and
Yeah,
you're like
the
the
mom.
second mom.
Yeah, I
And not
know.
like a mom. You're not the mom figure to me, but she is. And
Yeah.
I'm really scared of her. Yeah, so she's the one who's actually really serious about not being too into guys and all.
Mm,
So one thing you protect me from
mm.
is guys. And I don't think it's necessary for you to protect me from it, because I know that right now I'm not going to feel anything like that for a guy. I think that you don't have to really lecture me on it.
That's
Even
why
if you
even
don't, but
even I know
I
that,
have that
even because, but
consciousness.
being a mom, I did
Yeah.
say you what should be like, what
High
what
standards and all.
safety measures you have to take, do's and don'ts.
Yeah.
And if you have noticed in my life, you both sisters have mobiles, but I don't even know the password of yours or Harsha's, right? But you both know my mobile's password, right? Right? So because I trust you both, I know I'm not curious to check your DMs or your page, or who has texted you or who has not. Because I trust you. You are my girl. You both are my daughters. You have my and Monty's blood in you. कुछ करना है तो नाक के नीचे करोगे. I know that because even I'm that kind of. I'm a rebel. But I trust you, and I think that trust should be kept. Yes, I will be protective for guys, so that no wrong guy can hit on you, or
Yeah.
you don't fall for any wrong guy in their cheesy talks. As you are so pretty, so cute, definitely many will hit on you. But I want you to be careful. But I know you are smart enough to take care of yourself.
Standards का भी बात आता है.
Uh-huh.
Standards
का भी बात आता है, और मैंने ये तुम्हें सिखाया है कि standards maintain करो. Never lower your standards. Never lower your bar.
I was about to say something, I forgot. It was really important.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No, that's okay.
So next is yours.
Okay.
When I was 14 years old, I didn't know anything. Oh my god, when I see you and the way you're talking right now, and the way you have brought her up. I mean, I don't know about the elder sister, but really, I have been seeing, talking, even exploring, learning myself about teenagers and this generation per se. And yeah, there are a lot of emotionally mature, both genders. But at the end of the day, even right now, seeing it, I'm just awestruck. I don't have words to actually explain, but really amazing. Really.
Appreciate it. What kind of support do you need from me more often, even if it's unspoken?
You had always been a very supportive girl, Adrika. Very supportive. I remember days when I just vented in front of you on bed. Maybe it was 3 a.m. You came to me. You relaxed my soul. Now I lost my 2 brothers. Whenever you see I'm on the verge of breaking down, you just come and you ask me, Mama, hug lage, Ma, cuddles karo. So that's all I need from you. You had always been that girl. Like, Harsha is not that touchy girl. Like, I keep chasing her to hug her and kiss her, but she is like, okay, don't do. She loves me a lot, but you are like me. We vibe together. The way I'm a touchy girl, I like to be loved, like not verbally, but via action. You love me, hug me. You love me, you owe me, come over. Like a kiss on the forehead. You see how clingy I am with you, right? And that's the thing that I love. So you had always given me that love to me, and sometimes you counsel me. I forget that I'm your mother. You give me advices which I take it and it really works. You and Harsha, even, it really works for me, and I feel very, very relieved at that point of time.
Yeah. Because I feel like a hug itself can fix us.
There was a movie, Tumaluk Jonmoi Hua Nasla, Munna Bhai MBBS.
I saw that.
Jappi, Jadoo Ki Jappi.
Yeah.
They used to say Jadoo Ki Jappi. That was like that. What, like that hug matters a lot.
Literally.
End of the day, when I come back home and I just hug you, or I hug Shimmer, my pet. Even she reverts me back, wagging her tail and licking me and like now jumping around me. So we are humans, even we need that. So I appreciate that you show that love towards me. Okay, how do you think our relationship will change in the next 3 years? What do you hope stays the same?
I don't think it will ever change.
Yeah.
And I just hope that our bond that we have right now, it never changes, because whenever something happens, when it comes to you guys, even if you yell at me, so I just hope that our bond, it never changes, because if it does, it would really break me, because I need you in my life. I need you no matter how old I grow, I still always need you. If you were to make a how to handle mom starter kit, what would be the top 3 instructions?
How to handle a mom?
Yeah.
How to handle a mom? Like it has to be like, be compassionate, right? Listen to her. Do not argue. And the third will be speak up with her. Like, speak up with her.
From my point of view, it would be, first of all, it would be do not argue. Second of all, do whatever she says, that too. And the third would be eat whatever she makes.
Oh yes, very true. Eat whatever she makes. Seriously, it's a big struggle. Oh my god, it's a big struggle with your tiffins, with your lunch, breakfast, evening snacks, and then dinner. Oh my god, I've been struggling for years. I need a break. Okay, complete this. No matter where life takes you, I want you to remember
That I will always be there with you, no matter what, and I'll always love you.
Okay.
And that me and my sister will always be there, including Shimmer.
Mhm.
Will always love you. That's the one thing I need you to remember throughout life.
I know that. That's the only thing why I'm alive. Only the love that you and Harsha gives me. That's the reason I'm right now here in front of you. That's the only goal, you both my girls. And that's why when sometimes your moods or your words, when they are harsh, it hits right here. It hits right here and I break down. Because that's my love, that's the way how I love. So whenever there is some rude behavior from your end or your sisters, that really hurts me a lot. It breaks me, shatters me into pieces, and vice versa, I know. But always remember, jiye koma jibanot, it's only for your and your sister's good. You have seen your grandmom, my mom, how till date she scolds me. Till date, I'm 43, mother of 2 daughters. You have seen your Aitama scolding me for my dressing, for my tattoos, till date. So always remember in your life, come what may, Adri, Pichibit june nahok, ma aru deta khodai thakibo. No one is permanent, all will go away. They will cheat you, bitch about you, whatsoever. But a mom, I can't even say for your dad, but I have given birth. I have given C-section, 2 C-sections. The injections that we take till now, we have pain in our spinal cord. I can do forward bending. So remember that pain of mine and never ever let me down. That's all I can say. And I love you till my death.
Actually, I would like to tell you something. Not
Okay.
exactly advice, but I just want you to know that you should control your words. I know people blabber anything, but sometimes it extremely
Hurts
me.
you. Yeah.
And the bond, it just feels very, I don't know, distant and bad. So whenever you say something that really hurts me, and there were many incidents where you said many things, even if it was out of anger, it really hurt me, and it was actually really hurtful. So I would. and it
But
was-
then you also have to see what are the reasons for which I had been harsh
don't-
with you. Definitely कुछ ऐसा आपने किया होगा, किया था, that triggered me, or something which was not acceptable, for which I had to come to my Ma Kali roop.
okay, last year, I don't know, something happened between us, and I told you, right, our bond, it got very distant.
Yeah.
So last year, very angry that you were not listening to me, and you were just, even though you were listening, you were not replying anything. It really triggered me, and then it triggered you too. And then you said some very harsh things to me,
Yes, I
which
did.
really hurt me. And obviously, I didn't really hold any grudges against that, but I'll just tell you to take control over your.
So even I
anger.
request you not to do things.
That time, actually, last year, you were angry with me because of my behavior, because I
Yes.
was grumpy.
Yes.
And I had things going
Entire
on
class
too.
8 you had been complaining, you had issues with your friends, with your weight, your studies graph just went down like this, you were not attentive at all, so everything was against you, Adrika.
Class 8 was my downfall, and it's kind of my fault, but because of my grumpy mood, what hurt me the most was that I was not being seen by any of you guys.
Yes, because you
It
always
was-
stayed aloof, you wanted to be aloof. We used to discuss, you and your dad and me,
But
we used to
every single
discuss.
time you guys told me something, it was just about taunting me or saying that how I changed and all, and it did not help me.
That's why I said
Academically
I said you before that speak out,
How?
vent out, rather scream or come to me and talk than having your mood swings. I understand teenagers do have mood swing, but then there is a solution also. You have to come out to me, you have to reach out to me, you have to speak your heart. The mama to bhal pon hai. Only talking can solve it. And as I said you, I promised you I'll give you half an hour of mine. You choose a time and we will sit, we will see, and we do watch series and movies together.
I'm doing great.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll work on that. Okay.
That's it.
Done.
Great. Okay, how are you feeling, both of you?
Great.
Great.
Nice.
Thank you for being so open, both of you.
So much.
Thank you for doing this.
It was our pleasure, right, Andrika? Being part of such a beautiful
Thank you.
thing.
Thank you.